Yeah, what's up, what's up? This is Mixmaster Gaz.
This is your aka Voice of the Streets.
So we are locked down on Data GHTV, man. Keep it locked. Stay tuned. Let's go.
Elale.
Fans and loved ones for standing first and foremost, I wish to who has racial and importantly, I say a big thanks to I say a big thanks to I say a big thank you to the President of the Republic, His Excellency Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo, who, upon receiving a lot of petition from well-meaning Ghanaians and friends, both home and abroad, to intervene in my situation, gave a listening ear to my life. Secondly, I'd like to say a big thank you to the Honorable Attorney General, Mr. Godfrey Dame, great support and for representing the government at large in taking this matter up as an exceptional case, considering the situation of my 7-year-old son. My special thanks also goes all those who in one way or worked behind the scene to support my cause. Of course, I cannot forget that I cannot forget to say thank you to all my lawyers who came to assist me in one way or the other since this matter started in particularly Mr. Andrew Voltaire, Mr. Andrew Voltaire, Mr. Tamaki, John Kwame, Quincy, Omini Mama, Son. Please, my English is not good. So the way is Felix Nana Hussein and etc. And the rest of the legality. I also want to thank Esnadi. I also want to thank Percy's Life. Those who celebrate the Nigerian blogger Mofa CCD Naija Ntobike Linda Nkeji Tunde Edmonds Cardi B My Spirit Training BKB Reggie Raston the legendary Sarkodie The Fear Moftana Habiba Sinari McBrown Mama McBrown the legendary Walkersia Prince Kennedy Nation Blogger Nkokonsan Zion Felix PH Hyper Ronnie is everywhere hello and all my bloggers. Please, I can't mention all of your name. Please, I'm so grateful. I saw everything when I came back. I saw all the support you used your blogs do for me, especially the hashtag FreeExtreme. I saw it and I was home, but I was still crying because I didn't know I had so much people who love me like this. And finally, I want to thank the rest of my fans, both home and abroad, especially my lovely brothers and sisters in Nigeria and the rest of Africa for standing by me in this matter. And last but not the least, to my pastors, all religion leaders who in one way or the other said a prayer for me on this matter. I say God bless you all. In fact, I cannot finish thanking everyone, but God bless everyone for me. I really appreciate it. Thank you so much. Thank you. caminho de assassinato. Mocha outros abençoados para uma casamia de palmas. Abençoados papapapapá. Reis e mami. Manfone easy. Regale comente. Nendi do Timende. Socramente. Minhas palmeiras. Da extremitriba. Na the whole world. Me fans know my worried. Almost automatically, but almost It's never more sampanho quanto. Mas sou bem caminho que se maxi. Na minha Kamasi, Anna, Mommy said, take a picture with my son in Tamana and take me to jail or can put me in a picture. I didn't know it was not a good thing. Whatever it is, please forgive me. I beg you, the whole world, the whole Ghana, Mr. President, my legend, my women, my men, oh, please have mercy on me. Forgive me. I didn't do that. Krishna, please. I'm your kid sister, I'm your child, I'm your daughter. Please forgive me. And I want to say this to my colleagues, to the young ones who are coming, that is not a good heart. I didn't know and I did it. And this is what I got myself into. So please, especially the nudity, beg you, we should put a stop to it. Nudity is not good. It's not good at all. It's not just taking a picture with your son in that manner. Nudity is not good. And Ghanaians, we have our norms, our culture. Yes, I beg you. For this, I beg you. My colleagues, understand it, and let's put a stop to it. I love you all. This is a happy photo. Peace, peace.
I've been
my son, since I've seen you, he's with my lawyer, myself, all this while. I've been with my lawyer because you're not really done with the process for me to come out. The appeal is still in process. So now I've not been house. I'm with my lawyer, with my son. For some few days. Since when I was out, my son was with my son.